How about storage, guys? A lot of guys got toppers on their trucks. I'm not real fond about leaving a whole bunch of stuff in the back of my truck or on my topper. You know, people look in, they want to see what you got. Well, here's something that I did to stop that problem. Let me pop this open and I'll show you. So I had a local canvas shop make this for me. It's called Sunbrella. And if you want to throw your fishing poles in here or whatever, you're doing whatever, going to the range, whatever. You got merchandise in here you want people to see. This just unsnaps. You can pop a tailgate open. And then I added what they call a little joey bed. Got a built-in toolbox on the edge of the, let's see here, on the edge of the platform, and it'll pull out the full length. And that top, as you see, I've got it anchored up here on the little knobs up on top, both sides. Really doesn't go anywhere. It rolls back and attaches up to the back. When I go hunting, I do roll it all the way to the front. Throw my coolers up on top of here. Oh, there we go. Slides real easy. It's not locked. And you can throw some stuff up here if you're on your way out. And nobody will know it's in the back of your truck. That's called a, let's see here, bed slide. It'll hold 1,000 pounds of weight on the back of your truck. And it'll slide right back in. Let's see here. Snap your canvas. They can look in all they want in the windows. No one would ever know what's in the back of your truck. But that's just a little tip, something I've done for my last 2 trucks. This cover is about 16 years old. Canvas umbrella. Local canvas shop can make it, and you put a little track on the very edge up on the front, and you're ready to go. Hope that helps somebody.